are going to learn about water pressure increase in depth. Now let us perform a small experiment on this topic. The material requires are a mug of water, an empty water bottle, a matchstick, a knife, and 3 pieces of sticks rolled with cloth. That is thick cloth. It should not be a thin cloth, and we require a tray. Now let us start. Now first we must heat this knife using the matchbox. I am doing that. Now the knife has been heated. Now make 3 holes in this bottle. Now we made 3 holes in this bottle. Now let us keep this here. Take this sticks and insert this. Fill the water in this bottle fully. We must take all the sticks at a time. Now you can observe that. See. The bottom hole release the water with a high pressure. Let us see how it happened and why it happened. Water pressure increase with depth because the water up above weighs down on the water below. Pressure can be measured in a variety of ways. Water pressure can be easily calculated with a simple equation involving depth, density, and gravity. Water, like all things on earth, is pulled downward by the force of gravity. Every body of water has a certain weight, and this weight pushes downward on whatever is below it. Water pressure is the result of the weight of all the water below. As you go deeper into a body of water, there is more water above and therefore a greater weight pushing down. This is the reason water pressure increases with depth. The pressure depends only upon the depth and is the same anywhere at a given depth and in every direction. The calculation of water pressure is very straightforward. The formula of calculating water pressure is pressure equal to weight divided by its area.